Hey guys, welcome to this new Ruby tutorial. My name is George, and today what we're going to do is that we're going to learn how to write data into a text file. Now for that, all you need is obviously a Ruby script and a text file, and obviously to have Ruby installed. Now first we're going to check our directory over here. We can see that we have our script, which is input.rb, and we can see our text file over here, which basically has nothing. Now what we're going to do now is that we're going to capture the name of the file through a argument, which is basically this first line you can see over here. We're capturing the file name by using the first argument when you execute the script. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to open a new file, so this file, and we're going to write some lines inside it. So what you need to do first is that you need to create a file object. Now for doing that, you can just create a variable over here, and you can use file.open. Now the open function will basically read the file, by using the file name over here. And since we're writing some data into this file, we're going to write some lines. You need to specify writing permissions. Now for doing that, you need to add a second parameter into this function by using comma, then open single quote marks, and write the W letter. So that basically stands for writing permissions, and so now we can safely write some data into our file. Now to write a single line, all you need to do is call your my file object over here and use the write function. So you can just write dot write, and inside that you can write any message that you like. For example, hey, what's up? Okay. Now, after you write data into your file, it is really important that you close it. So you can do that by using myfile.close. And this is really important because when you alter the content of your file, you need to close it correctly so we can avoid having some errors. You need to know that when you write data, you can get some write errors. So if you want to avoid that, you need to close the file so there won't be any bytes floating around over there when you write the file. So that's basically pretty much it. Now we're going to save the script, and after we save it, we're going to run it. And okay, I run it over there. And now what you need to do is that you need to reopen the file. So I'm going to reopen my text file, and okay, I'm going to say yes, and what I can see over here is that I have my message printed out in my text file. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to save the file again so I can write something else. And what I want to do now is that I want to write the file with 2 lines of text. Now for doing that, I'm going to use my file dot write again. I'm going to write a second message over here, my second line, and it's going to be, for example, everything alright. I'm just going to write everything fine. Okay, it's like that. And we're going to see something really interesting happen over here. I'm going to execute this script, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, text.text. Yes, and as you can see, the result is all printed out in the same line. So this is not okay. We need to specify our script that, hey, you need to write a first line and then a second line. Now the way to do that, you need to get over here, and when you want to skip to the next line, you need to use something that is called a escape character, and this escape character is called new line. So you can just type in \n, and this stands basically for new line. So you're going to write hey, what's up. Now after you write hey, what's up, you're going to tell to the file, hey, I need you to skip to the new line. So that's why you write \n, and after that you can safely write to the new line. Okay, and you can also use this to end your file over here, just like that. So you can save this script, and when we run the script again and we reload the file, you will see that now we have 2 different lines over here in our file. Now That's a pretty simple way to write files. Now you need to remember that you can also use variables when you write data, not just this message over here inside the write function. You can also store them in variables. And something else that I wanted to show you is how to erase the contents on a file. Now for that you need to use a function that is called truncate, and the truncate function has a parameter which is like the size of the file. So you can just call myfile.size, save the program, run it again, and now we're going to reopen the file so we can see the result. Now the result over here is that my file is going to be empty. So that, guys, is basically how you can write some data into a file. Something I would like to recommend you is that you can practice by opening one file, getting data, and writing that data to another file. I think that is a nice practice that you can do. And well, I guess that's it for this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button below. You can also leave some comments, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can also do that. I would be really happy if you do that for me. So thanks again for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.